Hi friends, how are you all? Today we will start our lesson number 17, economic problems and challenges. What are economic problems and what's our challenge? Poverty and unemployment. Let's see. Our first topic is poverty in India. In order to decide poverty line in 2011-12, Planning Commission of India declared per capita means per head, expenditure for rural area as rupees 816, which means 4,000 per family. For urban area, per capita expenditure was fixed at the rate of rupees 1,000. Per capita income should be that to reach expenditure. World Bank has decided per capita income as 1.9 US dollar in 2012 as per the rate of 2008, which is considered as the scale of poverty line. As per the report of UNDP 2015, ratio of poverty in India in 2011-12 was 21.92% of the total populations, out of which populations of poverty at the rural level was 25.7%, while at the urban level it was 30.7%. It means that out of total poor, that is 26.93 crore, about 21.65 crore people in the rural area and only 5.28 crore people in urban area. Rural area means poor area, poor people. Chhattisgarh 36.93 is the poorest state of India. Please underline Chhattisgarh. While Goa 5.9 has lowest poverty rate. In Gujarat, the proportion of poverty is 16.63. Chhattisgarh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Orissa, etc. have more than 30% proportion of poverty in India. India is bestows with natural resource in large quantities processed in natural raw. Best possible stand for welfare of people as a result of proportion poverty has not reduced, so it is said the poor live in wealthy India. Next our topic is especially reasons are poverty. What are reasons? Let's see. Poverty is seen more in rural area than in urban area. The reasons for poverty in India are as below: decrease in income from agriculture due to lack of irrigation facility. Second is lack of alternative employment farming. Third is unproductive and excessive expense due to traditions and customs leading to debt. Lack opportunity to earn and they become victim of poverty. Economic policies are not framed for the welfare of the poorest sections of society. Economic reforms and increased technology had an adverse effect on cottage and small scale industries and the agriculture sector. Migration and employment increased. Increase in population and decrease in death rate has increased supply of labor, so unemployment has increased. Due to price rise is main part for poverty. The purchasing power of the people has decreased and living standard of the people has decreased and poverty has increased. Our next topic is various solutions of poverty alternative elevation programs. Many programs are here. Let's see. Poverty alleviation programs were undertaken to help the rural and urban people living below poverty line to have a better standard of living. The main aim of the program was to create opportunity of employment for families suffering from poverty by improving agriculture, for food security, providing education, developing skill training so that their economic condition may improve. Many schemes are here, especially National Agriculture Plan, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Krishi Sinchai Yojana means farming planning. Second is from Gramodaya to Bharat Uday, village to city, Gramodaya to Bharat city. It was helping farmers with finance, mechanization, irrigations, getting support price, weather forecast, market facilities, and online service. Next is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, countries port supply for farms and subsidy to purchase from equipment. Next is cattle rearing, tribal women for cattle rearing, their encouragement to organic farming. Next is Chief Minister village road scheme. Next is Ma Annapurna Yojana, distributing 35 kilograms food grains free of cost of people living below poverty line. Next is Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Next, Manrega program, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Manrega, M for Mahatma Gandhi, N for National Rural Employment Granted Act, assists one person from every poor family at least 100 days employment, 7 hours day with fixed wage. Mission makes Mission Mangalam. This program helps women of poor families to form self-help groups under Sakhi Mandal. They would industries like preparing papar, pickle means athano, and agarbatti. Next is Datopan Thagdi Vyaj Sahay Yojana. Next is Jyoti Gramodyog Vikas Yojana, and last is Bajpai Bankable Yojana. Under the program urban and rural employment of age group 18 to 65 who are educated till first standard given training so that they may set up industry or carry on traditional craft. They are also given finance of fixed amount so that they have generate self employment. Okay, our next topic is Manrega program. What is Manrega? Manrega Manrega program. Let's see. The employment-oriented Manrega is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Program has been become popular with the slogan of village, our village, our work, along with reasonable price. The objective of Manrega is to improve livelihood for families or adults living in rural areas who are unskilled but can do physical labor. For this purpose, one person from every family is guaranteed wage employment for at least 100 days, means 7 hours per day. In a financial year, the government has fixed the wage rate according to paid daily wage. In this work for development of village, construction of personal toilets, personal wells, leveling the land, plain horticulture, labor work in Indira Awas Yojana, cattle shed, making organic manure, shed for cocks and goats, yard for dyeing fish, cleaning the canal, works related to water storage, tree plantations on road are included. Next, our topic is reasons for unemployment. What are the main reasons? Main reasons responsible for increasing unemployment in India are increasing in population. First point is population. Second is the lack of technical knowledge or skill. Third is farm failure in providing complete unemployment, irrigation facilities, lack of alternative employment to farmers during time other than agriculture season, weak condition of cottage industries, household industries and small scale industries, caste and joint family system. People are forced to follow traditional business or family business. Lack of knowledge, skill, training and experience. Lack of knowledge means insufficient information. Immobility of labor. Low growth rate of industry development, less rate of saving tendency, decrease in rate of capital creation and lack of investment for new ventures. Okay, here I complete my first topic. This is unit is continue. I will send you in the second paragraph. Okay, second videos. Thank you.